Alright, it's gonna be 56. And this is info from the last couple days, but there's people on the run, obviously trying to hide. They're doctoring documents. Own properties. So, I'm trying to set a property on fire. I was targeted and spiritually attacked since the womb. Strip clubs is significant, and the stripper's been like a main character in all this. Planted evidence, being sneaky, strategic thief, some corrupt network, tampering with mail, business fraud, PPPO, and illegal business that they made under me, or what they've done to me and made it some kind of business. Trying to strategically put something in my car, like, you know, they have a copy of my key. So, they're sitting outside, pretty much my house, driving by, you know, here and there. That's some kind of ex-best friend. Someone from the past. Hidden knowledge about hidden and landfill body or money. Some kind of power supply. Trying to do something in the water. Hotel, motel. And that's also where they did this cold group sex ritual. Graveyard dirt in the food. They will be living hell on earth. They accepted offer to take me out to save their behind. Bodily fluids chanting. Just weird people. Someone's trying to record and drug someone having sex to blackmail. Calling off engagement. Dark priest doing love spells on me that'll go in favor. Or, yeah, whoever's involved. Arranged marriage fraud for benefits. Some strange for work raise. She don't know who the daddy is. And while I'm sleeping, because, you know, they somehow know when I go to sleep every night. They try to either like interfere in my dreams or cast like hella death spells or something. But It's not gonna work. Also, someone's a suspect in a crime. These people are very codependent on my energy. Trafficking. So Debbie's caught up for stolen inheritance, receiving grandma's social security checks after passing, and trafficking. They're trying to incorporate me in crimes, pretending like they gave me something, or they've, I don't know, I've received stuff and I did not. So they're lying out their teeth, like always. Nothing new. So Plumber is involved. I know this landlord, this bad landlord, been helping these people. I know that landlord possibly has a life insurance policy as well somehow. They're sleeping with this guy. So, I mean, I don't know. These people are planning to plead insanity. Yeah, but, you know, so you can avoid jail time and end up in a mental hospital? No. You were just fine doing all that trafficking, all that plotting and scheming and thinking you're so smart with the courts and forging all those documents and doctoring all those documents. You thought you were so smart then. You can't plead sanity now. You can't. No. No. You had all this time in your hands, you know? And what you chose to do at that time was to be a fraud. So, no. You got a college graduate involved, someone in the nightlife club, concerts, etc. Land Rover, significant. Prison employee, voodoo. You keep doing voodoo on me, and they're stalking me online or through tarot. So, yeah, just a bunch of weirdos trying to stay in my energy and no. Don't. The truth is an offense, but it's not a sin. Something about a hotel room. Like I said, these people are bouncing in hotel rooms, so most likely you're gonna catch them doing some real shady stuff in the hotel room. I mean, they've already unalived someone in a hotel room. They record people, traffic people in hotel rooms. I mean, it's pretty sad when Motel 6 has like a saying in the back of their soap saying like, if you're human, if you're trafficked in the hotel, call this number. And like, that's sad. That's really sad. Sister-in-law, so Brittany, scammer, con artist, personal assistant is involved. Someone with a BBL. I don't know if it's the botch one or it's just another broad with BBL. SUV G. brothers, Eric or Jonathan. Oh, a clone brother. 1946 through 1964. Someone born within those years, or something happened. And these people are swingers. Hospice nurse. Scorpio female. Daycare summer camp. Foreign countries. Something maybe like a cousin went to a foreign country or something like that to hide. Or anyway, something about a foreign country, and then apartment manager, Virgo. So yeah, the apartment manager, plumber, all that stuff. Trying to do some skeptical stuff around here. I mean, yeah, these people got like done like HIPAA violations, paternity fraud. That's not his son. Your lover robbed you. Trying to trap him or her with an STD. If I can't have him or her, no one can. So, better not be talking about me, because you don't have no control of that, buddy. Yeah, so. Yeah, let me, yeah, I don't know if I said business fraud. I think I did, but yeah. Something strange for a work raise. You want to squash the beef now? I mean, I never have no beef. I never had any beef with anybody. Just how wrong and messed up what you did to me for no reason. You had a one-sided beef that I wasn't participating in. Like I said, I mean, just because I bring you up because you've done fraud in my name, that doesn't mean, oh yeah, she wants to talk about me, she wants to, this and that. No, you're psychotic. You're literally a part of the chaos that I don't want to be around. And that's why you felt like it was all good to come on some BS. So, I don't condone in drama. It's not what I do. So, You may find that fun. You might, get a kick off of that, but me personally, I don't. So sometimes I'll be cursing or whatever to express, my anger. It's not really trying to start drama or anything. It's more like just me expressing myself. That's it. Like, it's not. So, it's one me versus, people's posse and all that stuff. So, mean, never. They don't want to take no for an answer. Yeah, something like, again, with my backyard. Like, I don't know what these people put in my backyard, but whatever it is, it's not me, okay? I'm letting you know. So, I don't know what they put, but they put something in the backyard, and I have no idea what it is. So, yeah, so they also be like parked outside my home doing rituals. So, you could probably catch them slipping there, just in a parked car, just, doing some weird crap. Spent so much money for voodoo. Yeah, and they actually was able to cash out a life insurance policy. I'm not sure if y'all know that, but they were able to and claim that I was dead. And they're literally mainly using all that on either the strip club, drugs. And I'm not just talking about weed. I'm talking about them hardcore, serious drugs. And then you even got drug mules and drug trafficking involved. So, and this guy is a freaking street drug dealer that's a cop. And like, yeah, but they were able to cash out some kind of insurance policy, and they're literally just spending it on spell work and drugs and all that. Like, they're literally traveling constantly, spending that money, wasting it. They're still doing spell work after they know who I am. They're still going. They're still wasting their money. Like, they're wasting their time and money to keep traveling. And they might have fun. They might have these sex ritual parties or whatever they consider fun. But still, like, it's like, after all that, you're down to nothing. You didn't succeed in anything that you planned on. So, I don't know. No, but Yeah, I'm like, the doctors can't even help him. I'm alive and they lost. Yeah, all these people just got a bunch of pride, arrogance, and just big, huge egos that are part of a cult coven organization that just become very obsessive and cannot stop watching me, spying on me, taking tabs on me, just literally even white females that this dude is dealing with is, and even family relatives or whatever just want to be in competition with me, knowing that they're in a one-sided competition, because I don't look at those people as competition. Like, I look at myself as competition. So they're just wasting their time at that point. So I feel really sorry for them, honestly. But here's the names. You got Liam, Ladybug, Brianna, Arian, Ashley, Matthew, Paul, Diana, Zay, Violet, Wayne, Leah, Rico, Brett, Guerrero, Garcia, Hakeem, Fisher, Chuck, Fernandez, Regina, Potter, Warren, Wilson, Rogers, Gabe, Bernard, Bailey, Cordell, Jill, Lysandra, Andy, Saul, Larson, Voss, Perry, Jolie, Banner, Morin, Ruth, Ray, Marino, Samara, Jr., Sasha, Gracie, Cynthia, Nora, Sage, St. Clair, Takara, Connie, Veras, Arius, Caesar, Latasha, Barry, CJ, AJ, Jalen, Nazir, Corey, Hansel, Campos, Palacios, Payne, Zion, Ray, Scarlett, Curry, Ahmet, but Betancourt, Channy, Samira, Shelby, Piazza, Jaden, Adrian, Gonzalez, Thomas, Fernanda, Jansen, Miriam, Aaron, Riley, Milan, Raven, Alicia, Bree, Sita, Duran, Liz, Daisy, Simone, Peter, Carson, Martin, Brandy, Knowles, Whitney, Megan, Candace, Tammy, Lana, Leo, Anastasia, Lynn, Anderson. Yeah, trying to get what's mine. by any means. Yeah, female relative. It's for a payout. Offered up to Coven in exchange for money, wealth, their health, and power. How do you consider that power if you have to keep re-upping? Like, his paternal sister is going to prison. Alright, Kathleen, Tierra, Foster, Cortez, Donovan, Melissa, Jamie, Lori, Alejandro, Wayne, Adam, Aracelis, Diamond, Areno, Souza, Kennedy, Wyatt, Collier, Amara, Velez, Jada, Amy, Armani, Sanchez, Cheryl, Sean Turner, Kia, Valerie, V, Ryan, Michelle, Tamika, Terry, Belle White, York Smith, Liz, Edison, Lulu, Fields, Bell, Slim, Ivy, Larson, Grant, Peterson, Ryder, Richard, Price, Sean, Ponte, Roxy, Alice, Debbie, Clark, Mahia, Suzette, Clemmings, Jeanette, Higgins, Baxter, Thornton, Mayfield, Eugene, Geraldine, Esther, Jensen, Darius, Rita, Nora, Simon, Villa, Lunella, Clayton, Tammy, Randy, Sue, Alf, Curtis, Clarissa, Lawless, Jason, George, Harold, Mag, Burgos, Baker, and Lena. Yeah. That's all I got for this one, so peace.